The Su-25, a renowned ground attack aircraft, has showcased exceptional combat performance since its inception during the Cold War era under the Soviet Union. Its versatility and robust design have made it a formidable presence in conflicts worldwide, earning it a reputation for precision and power in ground attack aviation. Referred to as the Frogfoot by NATO forces, this single-seat, twin-engine aircraft is specifically crafted for close air support and ground attack missions, boasting rugged construction and potent weaponry for maximum battlefield impact. Characterized by a straight-wing design and twin engines, the Su-25 offers remarkable maneuverability and agility crucial for navigating complex combat environments. Its armored cockpit and fuselage provide essential protection for pilots during high-risk missions, ensuring their safety amidst enemy fire. Armed with an array of weapons including missiles, bombs, and cannons, the Su-25 delivers devastating blows to enemy targets with precision and accuracy, facilitated by integrated avionics and targeting systems. In various war zones globally, the Su-25 has consistently demonstrated its prowess in combat scenarios, whether by providing close air support or executing strategic strikes against enemy positions. Employing a blend of low-altitude flying and rapid maneuvering, Su-25 pilots execute diverse tactics to maximize mission effectiveness, from targeted strikes on enemy fortifications to disrupting supply lines. The presence of Su-25 aircraft often serves as a deterrent to enemy forces, showcasing the readiness and capability of friendly air power, while its ability to operate in adverse weather conditions adds to its value in diverse combat scenarios. Despite its strengths, the Su-25 faces threats, including enemy anti-aircraft defenses and shoulder-fired missiles, necessitating extensive pilot training and defensive tactics to ensure mission success. While the Su-25 boasts remarkable agility, its relatively slow speed and limited stealth capabilities expose it to detection and interception by enemy air defenses. Nonetheless, effective mission planning and coordination can mitigate these risks, ensuring the Su-25 continues to play a pivotal role in ground attack launches and shaping the outcomes of conflicts with its exceptional performance, versatility, and firepower.